Clean, renewable energy is our pathway to a sustainable future. The green energy sector continues to show healthy growth in many parts of the country. This is largely driven by a complex currency created by federal and state governments called energy tax credits. Proper qualification and distribution of these tax credits can make or break a green energy entity. But this process can be complicated. That's why choosing a knowledgeable CPA firm could be critical to success.
It's very important for a renewable energy or clean tech company to get involved with a firm like ours that specializes in this industry early, just to make sure things are structured correctly.
It's very important for a renewable energy company to set up a good accounting system. They have a ton of things going on, from investment tax credits to state SREGs to other state incentives. It's important to have the books set up correctly in the first round. It's small dollars in the beginning to do this, but it's going to save them a lot of time and money in the long run.
Specialized energy tax expertise has long been the province of large, expensive CPA and law firms that typically serve the utilities, oil, and gas industries. But the majority of new alternative energy and energy efficiency companies are entrepreneurs and smaller project developers that can't afford the high fees of these large firms.
It takes a great deal of discipline to maintain a strong knowledge base while keeping a reasonable fee structure. Our Green Team staff spends a significant amount of time keeping up with the changes in federal and state energy tax regulations, while staying involved with the stakeholders that drive energy policy in New England.
Maintaining a Green Team practice requires a concerted marketing effort. So we have a weekly marketing meeting where we discuss all the current events and things that are going on in the industry. We are active in social media. We regularly attend the events that are going on in the industry. And we also have 2 weekly newsletters that we send out.
Clean tech companies and green energy companies need to understand the special allocations of both income and expenses. Many of our clean tech clients and green energy clients are structured as partnerships, and they have clear, distinct goals in the beginning to allocate tax credits or other tax incentives to certain parties rather than others. And if they don't structure that immediately in the beginning or correctly, that could throw off how we're going to allocate the income and expenses on their tax returns.
The roots of Rodman & Rodman's energy practice began as early as the mid-1980s while working with alternative energy pioneers in cogeneration and landfill gas projects in Massachusetts. Today, the Rodman & Rodman Green Team services early to mid-stage clients in solar, wind, biomass, and biogas throughout the U.S.
Building a successful green energy practice is all about focus. You can't simply hang out a shingle and say you're in the business. You have to maintain a solid knowledge base and cultivate relationships with industry stakeholders. Above all, you really have to believe in clean energy and recognize the added investment of your time is not only for the future of the firm, but for the future of the planet. Please visit our website at www.rodmancpa.com or email us at info@rodmancpa.com.